So everyone, you're watching this video on our YouTube channel Persona Institute for English, and with me you can see these 5 extraordinary students are sitting over here, and today there is a session that would be a sentence translation session in which I will be asking them some different sort of sentences and they will be translating confidently. And one thing about persona कि persona में बच्चा जो है confidently sentence को हिंदी to English बोल लेता है, तो आज वो मैथ भी मैं क्लियर करूंगा कि वो क्या रीज़न है जिससे बच्चा कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल पाता है। सेकंड, वो क्या चीज़ें हैं जो बच्चे को कॉन्फिडेंट स्पीकर बनाती है। सो टुडे वी हैव द फर्स्ट स्पीकर एंड फर्स्ट लेट मी नो व्हाट्स योर नेम।
माय नेम इज ऋषिका पटेल।
ऋषिका पटेल, शी इज़ एक्चुअली ऋषिका पटेल। और इससे पहले जो हमने प्रीवियस सेशन अपलोड किया था उसमें कुछ बच्चों के कमेंट थे कि वेदर शी इज़ अ गर्ल और बॉय। सो लेट मी टेल यू, शी इज़ अ गर्ल। एंड ऋषिका, इन विच क्लास डू यू स्टडी?
सर, आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ 7th क्लास।
7th standard. She studies in 7th standard and she claimed that she can translate any sentence Hindi to English confidently without making mistake. So Rishika, is it right that you can translate anything confidently?
Yes sir, is it right?
Is it right?
Yes sir.
So can you show your performance, and I mean you can translate anything confidently if I
Yes,
ask you? Okay, so let's start.
Yes, sir.
मैं आपसे ना back to back, it's up to me, मैं आपसे कुछ भी पूछ सकता हूँ,
Yes,
ये मेरे
sir.
माइंड में है।
Yes sir.
You have to show that कि आप किसी भी चीज़ को confidently translate कर
Yes, sir.
सकते हैं। चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं। आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
और कोई जल्दी नहीं है हमें ना, एक्यूरेसी लेवल हमारा सही रखना है हमें।
Yes, sir.
कोशिश करनी है कि हमारा सेंटेंस सही ट्रांसलेट हो। आप कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you live?
अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing now?
मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या कर रही हूँ।
I don't know what I am doing now.
I don't know what I'm doing now. आपको पता होना चाहिए आप क्या कर रहे हो।
You should know what are you doing.
You should know what you are doing. मैं बोलने की कोशिश करता हूँ,
I try to speak.
मैं बोलता हूँ,
I speak.
मुझे बोलना पसंद नहीं है।
I don't like to speak.
मुझे ज़्यादा बोलना पसंद नहीं है।
I don't like to speak more.
I don't like to speak much. मुझे पता है इस बारे में।
I know about that.
I know about it. क्या आपको इस बारे में पता है?
Do you know about it?
क्या आप संजना को जानते हैं?
Do you know Sanjana?
क्या संजना आपकी सिस्टर है?
Sanjana is your sister?
हाँ, संजना मेरी सिस्टर है।
Yes, Sanjana is my sister.
Yes, संजना इज माय सिस्टर। मेरे पास अभी समय नहीं है।
I don't have time now.
I don't have time now. मैं अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना चाहता हूँ।
I want to improve myself.
आप अपने आप को क्यों इम्प्रूव करना चाहते
Why do you want to improve yourself?
हो? मैं अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी इंग्लिश कमजोर है।
I want to improve myself because my English is
इंग्लिश इज वीक। ओके, मैं आपको इंग्लिश सीखने दूंगा।
I will let you speak, learn English.
मैं आपको पर्सोना में इंग्लिश सीखने दूंगा,
I will let you learn English in persona.
लेकिन मेरी एक शर्त है,
But I have a condition.
आपको यहाँ रोज आना पड़ेगा।
You should come here daily.
You should or you will have
You
to.
will have to come here daily.
सर मैं यहाँ रोज नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि मेरे पास समय नहीं है।
Sir, I can't come here daily because I don't have time.
आप कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you
आप
live?
क्या करते हो?
What do you do?
आप क्या करोगे?
What will you do?
आप क्या करना चाहते हो?
What do you want to do?
आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीखना चाहते हो?
Why do you want to learn English?
सर मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मेरी इंग्लिश कमजोर है।
Sir, I want to learn English because my English is weak.
Rishika, let me know, you study in 6th standard, right?
No, sir, 7th.
In 7th standard.
Yes.
This year you have been promoted in
Yes.
7th. Okay. And in which school do you study?
Sir, I study from Ben's Public School.
Okay, that's good. And now for how many days you have been coming in Persona?
Sir, I have completed my 2 months.
2 months in Persona. And
Yes.
within 2 months, you are able to translate anything confidently.
Yes,
Okay. I just want to know about that girl who's sitting there. What's her name?
Sir, she name is Ruchi.
She name होता है कि her name
Her
होता है?
name is Ruchi, sorry.
Her name is Ruchi. Okay. So is she elder or younger?
Sir, she is elder.
She is elder than you.
Yes, sir.
In which class does she study?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, now let's have a rapid fire round because
Yes, sir.
you claim that you translate very fast. मुझे जाना है।
I have to go.
आप कहाँ जाते हो?
Where do you go?
आप कहाँ जा सकते हो?
Where can you go?
आपने क्या देखा?
What did you see?
आप क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
What do you want to
आप
speak?
क्या नहीं बोलना चाहते हो?
What don't you want to speak?
मुझे बोलने दो।
Let me
मैं
speak.
लिखने दूंगा आपको।
I will let you write.
मैं आपको बोलने नहीं दे सकता।
I can't let you
मेरे
write.
पास समय नहीं है।
I don't have time.
मुझे सोचने दो क्या करना है।
Let me think what to do.
Let me think what to do. मैं पढ़ाई करना चाहता हूँ।
I want to study.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ।
I want to
मैं
learn
इंग्लिश
English.
सीखूंगा।
I will learn
मेरे पास
English.
समय
I
है।
have
मैं
time.
बोलता हूँ, मैं बोलूंगा, मैं बोल
I
सकता हूँ, मुझे
I
बोलना
can
चाहिए, मुझे
speak.
बोलना
I should
चाहिए,
speak.
मुझे बोलना ही चाहिए।
I must speak.
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
क्या आप अभिनव भैया को जानते हो?
Do you know Abhinav भैया?
हाँ, मैं उन्हें जानता हूँ।
Yes, I
वो एक
know.
अच्छे स्टूडेंट है।
He is a good student.
वो मेरे साथ पढ़ता है।
He study with me.
He study with me, studies
He
with me.
studies with me.
कौन सा टेंस है?
Present simple.
मैं सोचता हूँ,
I think.
मैं बोलता हूँ,
I speak.
मुझे बोलना पड़ता
I
है,
have to
मैं
speak.
बोलना चाहता हूँ।
I
आप
want to
कहाँ थे?
speak. Where were
आप
you?
क्या कर रहे हो?
What are
आप
you
क्या कर
doing?
सकते
What
हो?
can you do?
What can you do? सोचो जो आप सोच सकते हो।
Think what you can think.
बोलो जो आप बोल सकते हो।
Speak what you can.
मुझे बोलना पड़ता है,
I have to speak.
मैं बोलना चाहूंगा।
I would like to speak.
Excellent, great job. Pass the mic there. Yes, Abhinav, where are you from?
Sir, I am from Gujarat.
You're from Gujarat, and Abhinav, from Gujarat, you have come to Khandwa to learn English, especially. So,
Yes,
what
sir.
came in your mind? I mean, what makes you to come here? What made you to come here?
Sir, generally I saw your video and I get one kind of excitement to come here.
Okay. So, what did you say to your parents? Because without taking permission, parents, it's impossible to be here.
Yes, sir.
So-
My father and mother both supported me to come here.
Okay. So, first time when you watched the video on YouTube, so you decided that I have to go to Persona anyhow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in which class do you study?
Sir, I study in 11th class.
Okay. This year you have given the exam of 10th.
Yes, sir.
And how many marks did you get in 10th standard?
I got 81 marks.
81 marks. Abhinav, I just want to know that how many days you completed in Persona?
I have completed at least 2 months.
2
Around
months?
2 months.
Around 2 months you have done.
Yes.
So how your journey with Persona during these 2 months? How your journey has been?
Sir, it was unexpectable. I had imagined many of the things, and everyone should imagine that kind of experience,
Okay.
because of there is a line that a journey from person to persona, which
Person to personality.
personality.
Exactly.
That I exactly imagine here.
Okay. So are you improving yourself very well?
Yes, sir. Of course, I am improving.
What
myself.
you like most in Persona? I mean, you like to learn grammar, participating in debate and discussion, public speaking. What do you like most?
I like most public speaking.
Okay. Why you like public speaking most?
So because in that I get information that how I am improving myself.
Okay, that's good. And have you ever been rewarded during the public speaking? I mean, you got the first rank or like.
Sir, I think so. In summer camp, I will do that thing. I will accept this challenge.
Okay, so that competition is going to be very tough in summer camp.
Yes, sir.
So are you doing preparation for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's have a round of translation. As Rishika, she translated very well, and the same thing I'm just going to ask to you. You think you can translate confidently?
Yes, sir.
वो हमेशा हंसते रहता है.
He always keeps laughing.
मुझे नहीं पता क्यों.
I don't know.
I don't know why.
I don't know why.
नेचुरली एक नेचुरली बोलना है, हमें फ्लो में ना. मेरे पास समय नहीं है.
I don't have time.
मेरे पास वहाँ जाने के लिए समय नहीं है, इसलिए मैं आज यहीं रुकूंगा.
I don't have time to go there. That's why I will stay here.
आप यहाँ कब तक रुकोगे?
Up to when will you stay here?
टू वैन विल यू स्टे हियर? सर मैं यहाँ 2 बजे तक रुकूंगा.
Sir, I will stay here from 2 o'clock.
अप टू
Up to 2 o'clock.
सोचो,
Think.
सुनो और बोलो.
Listen and speak.
पहले सुनो फिर बोलो.
First listen then speak.
आपको बिना सोचे नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
You should not speak without listening,
You should not speak without thinking.
without thinking.
पहले सोचो फिर बोलो.
First think then speak.
मैं बोलता हूँ,
I speak.
मैं बोलूंगा,
I will
मुझे
speak.
बोलना पड़ता है,
I have to speak.
मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ,
I want to speak.
मैं जाना चाहता हूँ.
I want to go.
आप क्यों जा रहे हो?
Why are you going?
आप वहाँ क्यों जाते हो?
Why do you go
आप
there?
वहाँ कैसे जाते हो?
How do you go there?
आप वहाँ कैसे जाओगे?
How will you go there?
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
आप कल कहाँ थे?
Where were you yesterday?
Where were you yesterday? कल मैं मार्केट में था.
I was in market yesterday.
सोचो,
Think.
अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचो.
Think about your future.
Think about your future. That's good, Abhinav. You're translating very well.
Yes.
Now, yes, what's your name?
So my name is Ruchi Malakar.
Ruchi Malakar.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Ruchi, let me know about your journey with Persona. How many days you have completed?
Sir, I have completed my 65 around like that days, and it was a great journey. It was a great experience to be here, and I really thank to Persona because it's such a good institute to learning English.
Okay. Ruchi, I just want to know one thing about your medium. Are you from Hindi medium or
Yes, sir,
English
I am
medium?
from Hindi medium.
You're from Hindi medium.
Yes, sir.
So, being a student of Hindi medium, what I have seen that there is so much negativity
Yes,
towards
sir,
English.
it is that most of the people are think that the Hindi medium student not eligible for everything. Like
Yeah, they cannot speak English
Yeah.
confidently.
that is the thing, especially to English. Like they can't speak English.
But now today I can see you are speaking very well.
Thank you, sir. It's all because of Persona.
Okay, thank you. So Ruchi, today we'll be asking you so many things, and we'll check how you are going to translate it.
Yes, sir.
So in translation, you are good,
Yes, sir.
and I can say confidently in speaking, you are also
Yes,
speaking
sir.
very
I
well.
can speak Fran.
Okay, so
confidently.
let's begin. मुझे सोचना है.
I have to think.
मुझे सोचना है कि मुझे क्या करना है.
I have to think that what I do. What
I have
will
to
I do?
think what I have to do.
Yes.
I have to think what I have to do. मुझे पता है आप क्या करना चाहते हो.
I know what do you want to do.
I know what you want to do. I know
I know what you want to do.
सोचो जो आप सोच सकते हैं,
Think what you can think.
बोलो जो आप बोल सकते हैं.
Speak what you can speak.
मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता,
I don't want to speak.
मैं लिखना चाहता हूँ.
I want to
I
write.
insist you to keep the mic close so
Yes,
that it would be audible properly. मुझे जाना है,
I have to go.
मुझे आना है,
I have to come.
मैं आऊँगा.
I will
आप
come.
कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
आप अभी कहाँ हो?
Where are you now?
मैं अभी घर पर हूँ.
I am at home now.
आई एम एट होम नाउ. मैं 2 दिन से घर पर हूँ.
I have been at home for 2 days.
मैं अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहता हूँ.
I want to improve my English.
आप एक अच्छी स्टूडेंट हैं.
You are a good student.
आप यहाँ रोज आती हैं.
You come here daily.
आपको यहाँ रोज आना चाहिए.
You should come here daily.
आपको अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना
You
चाहिए.
should improve yourself.
इंग्लिश एक आसान भाषा है.
English is a easy language.
सुनो,
Listen,
समझो,
understand.
मैं समझ सकता हूँ.
I can
मैं
understand.
आपकी प्रॉब्लम समझ सकता
I
हूँ.
can understand your problem.
ओके, मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ.
I want to learn
मैं
English.
वहाँ जाना चाहूँगा.
I would like to go there.
मैं वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहता.
I don't want to go there.
आपने क्या देखा?
What did you see?
आपने क्या बोला?
What did you
आप
speak?
क्या बोलते हो?
What do
आप
you
क्या
speak?
बोल सकते हो?
What you
क्या
can
बोलोगे?
speak? Will you speak?
That's good. Wow. After Ruchi, yes. What's your name?
My name is Sanjana Bilahe.
Sanjana. Okay, so we have Ruchi and Sanjana. So can we have the competition between both of you? What do you think?
Sure.
So there is a competition between Sanjana and Ruchi, and you three will judge that who is the best translator. And our audience, those who are watching us today, they will also judge that who is the best translator between Sanjana and Ruchi. And Ruchi, you are from Hindi medium.
Yes,
and
sir.
Sanjana?
I am also from Hindi medium school.
Oh wow. So audience, we have 2 girls who are from Hindi medium and they claim that they can translate any sentence confidently. So let's have a competition between
Yes, sir.
both of you and let's see who is the best translator. मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to speak.
आप क्या बोलोगे?
What will you speak?
आप क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
What do you want to speak?
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
आप क्या जानते हो उसके बारे में?
What do you know about her?
सर मैं उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं
Sir,
जानता.
I don't know anything about her.
I don't know anything about him या I don't know anything about her. दोनों सही है. Both are correct.
Both are correct.
Okay. मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
कहाँ जाना चाहते हो?
Where do you want to go?
मैं मार्केट जाना चाहता हूँ.
I want to go to market.
आपको मार्केट में क्या काम है?
What work do you have in market?
What work do you have in the market? Sanjana is speaking better than Ruchi. Ruchi, come on, just give your best. मैं बोलना चाहता
I
हूँ.
want to speak.
मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
मैं बोलूंगा.
I will speak.
मैं बोल सकता
I
हूँ.
can speak.
मेरे पास समय
I
है.
have time.
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
मैं कुछ नहीं
I
चाहता.
don't want anything.
I don't want anything or I want nothing.
Yeah.
I don't want anything or
I
I want
want
nothing.
nothing.
सोचो.
Think.
अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में
Think
सोचो.
about your future.
मैं अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में नहीं सोचता.
I don't think about my future.
I don't think about my
Future.
future. मैं कॉलेज जाना चाहूँगा.
I would like to go to college.
मुझे कॉलेज जाना पड़ता है.
I have to go to college.
मुझे अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना पड़ता है.
I have to improve my English.
क्या आपको लगता है इंग्लिश आसानी से इम्प्रूव की जा सकती
Do
है?
you think that English can be improved easily?
डू यू थिंक दैट इंग्लिश कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड इजीली?
Easily?
हाँ, मुझे लगता है इंग्लिश
Yes, I
आसानी से
think
इम्प्रूव की
that.
जा सकती है. अगर आप पर्सोना के स्टूडेंट हो ना तो इंग्लिश बहुत आसानी से इम्प्रूव की जा
If
सकती
you are a student of persona, so English can be improved easily.
है. एक्सीलेंट. इफ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ पर्सोना,
English
इंग्लिश
can-
कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड इजीली. पर्सोना में तो कोई भी इंग्लिश बोल सकता है यार.
In persona, anyone can speak English.
इन पर्सोना एनीवन कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश बोलना बहुत आसान है.
Speaking English is very easy.
स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश इज वेरी
very
इजी. इंग्लिश बोलना बहुत आसान है अगर आप पर्सोना में हो तो.
English speaking English is very easy if you are in persona.
मैं जानता हूँ.
I know.
मुझे पता है.
I know that.
दोनों इक्वल है. आई नो मैं जानता हूँ और मुझे पता है आई नो. मुझे बोलना है.
I have to
मैं
speak.
बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं बोलूंगा.
I will speak.
तैयार था.
I was ready.
मैं वहाँ जाने के लिए
I
तैयार
was
था.
ready to go there.
I was ready to go there. Okay, that's good. Ruchi and Sanjana, you two are extraordinary, no doubt. Yeah, pass the mic over here. Yes, dear. What's your name?
My name is Kunal Purnare.
Kunal. Wow. So Kunal, you are from Hindi medium or English
Yes,
medium?
Hindi medium.
So we have 2 students. You two are from English medium, right? You are from English medium.
Yes, sir.
You are from English medium, and you 3 are from Hindi medium. That's great. And audience, let me tell you in persona, we allow the students to sit together, whether they are from Hindi medium or English medium. So it is their quality, it is their potential कि वो कितना अपना best दे सकते हैं. Today we have 5 students over here, and 2 are from English medium and 3 are from Hindi medium. But you cannot judge that these students are from Hindi medium. They are translating very well, communicating very well, speaking very well without making a single mistake. It proves that they are well practiced. Like, okay, so Kunal, let me know your journey with persona. How many days you completed here?
I completed my 2 month in
2 months.
persona.
2 months in persona you have completed, and let me know about your favorite activities that you like most in persona.
I most like public speaking.
Public speaking.
Yes.
Okay, that Abhinav, he also likes public speaking
Yes.
very much. So everyone, in translation, I will give you 9 out of 10 because somehow I can't give you 10 out of 10 because जो मुझे चाहिए ना कि एक स्पीडली भी बोले और एक्यूरेसी भी लाए, वो अभी और हमको गेन करनी है थोड़ी सी, है ना. चलिए, सो यू 4 5 डिड ग्रेट जॉब, ग्रेट कैप्टन फॉर यू ऑल, दैट्स गुड.